Hey guys, welcome back. Today we're out here in the lean-to. We need to get some lights installed. I'm probably going to do maybe 3 pods. That should be enough lighting out here. It's just so we can see messing with the horses in the evening and early morning. It's typically dark, especially this time of year. We are kind of going downhill now. We're gaining a couple minutes every day of daylight, but still we need the lighting here so it's not so dangerous gathering the horses up, especially working with those babies. So I'm going to go up to the shop and grab some tools, and we're going to go ahead and get at this project for today. Just hold the ladder. Baxter, come on, get out of there. All right, so we got all the wire ran and I got 3 pods in. One there, and one way down at the end right there. So those are all wired in. Now we're gonna go in the barn here and redo the switch area and put a couple outlets in and put some of this stuff on separate switches. Like I said before, all I have is a 20 amp circuit running out here. I haven't done the sub panel, so I have to make sure I put each thing on a separate switch because I don't think we can turn all the lights on. It probably will blow the breaker. So let's go in there and see if we can get this organized.
Wait, so the actual barn, like if the power was on, could it still light up?
Yeah.
Like if you flip the switch?
Yeah, power's off right now. So.
Yeah.
Figured it'd probably be safest. Baxter, what are you doing?
Yeah, what are we doing right here?
We gotta clean all this up.
Oh, so like get new wires? It was working before, right?
Yeah, but I gotta put more switches in here, so.
Oh, okay.
You know where my snips are?
Your snips?
Yeah.
Yeah.
No.
Right there. Oh, those are this. I hate barns because they get so dusty.
Poopy vicious. You're full of poopy right now.
All right, well, I didn't want to bore you with all the wiring and stuff, and it was crazy. I had to sit there and think about it for a minute. I haven't done wiring in quite some time, but we got it all done. Just put a junction box here. Power's coming in. I had to kind of splice it, give me 2 powers to come up and, you know, a 4-bank switch, and then just put 4 outlets right there. That's enough, but I had to put it on these separate switches. These 2 don't have anything on them yet because I got to get the horses out and put the light pods up in their stalls so don't scare the hell out of them, you know, hammering up there. So I'll probably do these another day, but that's like the outside to the lean-to. This is the barn right now. So that should work. And then when I get my sub panel in, this is the wire. It runs to the house already. That's just coiled up there. So we will get a sub panel in, and I'll put it probably somewhere in this area. All right, guys. Well, my battery's going dead on my GoPro. So anyways, like I said, I'm gonna put a panel in here probably in another 2-3 weeks, but that'll be another video down the road. But anyway, guys, thanks for watching, and I hope you enjoyed the video. Talk to you later.